At Third Eye, we realized a long time ago that fleets were a lot like fingerprints. Every fleet is unique unto itself and operates differently. That is why we developed the intuitive Third Eye EyeSight interface to allow fleet owners to create customized alerts that are important to them. With EyeSight, fleet owners have the power to configure the alerts they would like to see with the click of a mouse. EyeSight Business Intelligence, the intuitive AI-based engine that drives connected collections, pulls this information and places it in a to-do list for easy review. For employees new to a fleet, EyeSight makes training them very simple. And like all Third Eye's new digital offerings, EyeSight is scalable, meaning it works on any platform, from cell phone to laptop. You asked for simplicity, flexibility, and ease of use. With EyeSight, you're provided the maximum value of visibility that Connected Collections has to offer across all modules, starting with Safety Intelligence and Optim-Eyes, which are available now. Connected Collections, powered by EyeSight Business Intelligence, provides fleet owners with information that allows them to make better decisions faster.